children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read the continuous tense. Let us learn continuous or progressive tense. Tell us that an action is not completed. It means that the action is going on or in progress at the time of speaking. Continuous या प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस क्या शो करता है कि जब हम बात कह रहे हैं, जब हम किसी काम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो काम अभी पूरा नहीं हुआ है, वो काम अभी चल रहा है, वो काम अभी प्रोग्रेस में है. Now present continuous tense. The present progressive or present continuous tense refers to an action that is taking place or is going on at the time of speaking. जो present continuous tense है वो क्या बताएगा कि जिस समय हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो वो काम हमारा अभी चल रहा है या उस समय वो होने वाला है या शुरू होने वाला है. Now uses the present continuous tense is used. Number 1 for action which are happening now. जो एक्शन अभी हो रहे हैं. For example, Suman is reading a book. Mukta is eating her breakfast. Next, to talk about actions that are happening around now but not necessarily at the time of speaking. जो एक्शन है वो अभी हो रहा है लेकिन ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो जिस समय हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उसी समय हो रहा है. तो उस समय भी अगर ऐसा कोई सेंटेंस है तो उसमें हम कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का यूज़ करेंगे. कविता इज़ लर्निंग फ्रेंच एंड जर्मन. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अभी सीख रही है वो, लेकिन वो काम चल रहा है. मिस्टर मोहन इज़ टीचिंग इन अ पब्लिक स्कूल. नेक्स्ट, टू डिस्क्राइब अ फ्यूचर प्लान. फ्यूचर प्लान को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए भी हम कॉन्टिन्यूस का यूज़ करते हैं. कैसे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर लीविंग फॉर जम्मू टुमारो. माई फादर इज़ अराइविंग बाय द 11 PM फ्लाइट tonight. Now structure of sentence. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Now rest of the predicate. Examples: I am listening to music. Sonakshi is baking cookies. They are playing football. She is watching TV. Next is negative sentences. Subject plus am is are plus not plus verb plus ing, rest of the predicate. Examples: she is not crying. We are not making any noise. Next, interrogative sentences. Is am are plus subject plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. Question mark. WH word. Is am are plus subject plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate and question mark. Examples: is he waiting for Hima? Where is he waiting for me? Now note, certain verbs are not normally used in the continuous tense. They include like, love, hate, dislike, know, understand, want, need, suppose, believe, belong, think, believe, agree, remember, appear, seem, be, have, possess, contain, etc. इनके साथ हम जो है क्या है इनको continuous tense में यूज़ हम नहीं करते हैं. For example, the boy is wanting milk. No, the boy wants milk. You are seeming sad. No, you seem sad. He is having a toy. It's incorrect. He has a toy. I am loving to eat sweets. It's incorrect. I love to eat sweets. Now let's do your exercise and you have to do it. Next is past continuous tense. This tense refers to an action that was happening at a particular moment in the past. Past continuous क्या है कि past time में जो है किसी पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट में वो एक्शन हो रहा था, कॉन्टिन्यूस था. Uses. The past continuous tense is often used to show a contrast with an event expressed using the simple past tense. It shows that the action was continuing at a time when a new shorter action happened. the simple past tense is used for the new action. जो simple past tense है वो हम जो new action है उसके साथ में use करेंगे. The TV screen went black when I was watching the movie. I was eating dinner when someone knocked at the door. जो हमारा जो न्यू एक्शन है उसके साथ हमने वर्ब के सेकंड फॉर्म का यूज़ किया है और बाकी हमने पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का यूज़ किया है. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर प्लस वर्ब प्लस ing प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रेडिकेट. एग्जाम्पल्स: शी वॉज कुकिंग फूड. दे वर प्लेइंग खो-खो. नेक्स्ट इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. Subject plus was were plus not plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. Examples: I was not driving a car. We were not watching TV. Was were plus subject plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate question mark. WH word plus was were plus subject plus verb plus ing rest of the predicate and question mark. Examples: was she listening to music? What were you eating? Now this is your exercise. You have to complete it with simple past tense or past continuous tense. Next is future continuous tense. This tense is used to refer to an unfinished action or an action that will be in progress in the future. जो हमारा unfinished action है या जो फ्यूचर में जो एक्शन हमारा प्रोग्रेस में रहेगा उसके साथ हम फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल: आई विल बी फ्लाइंग टू लंडन एट दिस टाइम टुमारो. नेक्स्ट मंडे मोहित विल बी जॉइनिंग हिज न्यू ऑफिस. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. नंबर 1, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी शैल बी प्लस वर्ब प्लस ing प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रेडिकेट. Examples: you will be writing a letter at this time tomorrow. Don't phone me between 8 and 8:30. I will be watching the news during that time. Negative sentence: subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. Examples: she will not be going to school tomorrow. Mother will not be cooking dinner at this time tomorrow. Next is interrogative sentences. Will shall plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate question mark. WH word plus will shall subject plus be plus verb plus ing plus rest of the predicate. Examples: will he be waiting for me? Question mark. What will you be doing at this time tomorrow? I hope these all are clear to you now. This is your exercise. You have to practice it.